Are you ready to hit reset and reclaim control over your tech habits? Let's unlock a mindful digital life in just 5 easy steps. Ever felt overwhelmed by endless notifications, mindless scrolling, or digital burnout? You're not alone. In today's video, I'll share the 5 essential steps for a digital habit reset so you can enjoy more focus, authenticity, and real happiness, online and offline. Start by noticing how, when, and why you reach for your devices. Keep a quick daily log. Which apps eat your time? How do you feel after using them? Reflect on your digital routines at the end of the day. Becoming aware of your digital habits is the first step to intentional change. Create technology-free zones, like your bedroom or family dinner table. Schedule offline hours where your phone is out of sight and out of mind. Limit notifications. Turn off everything non-essential. Boundaries empower you to enjoy tech on your terms. Goodbye, FOMO. Ditch the endless scroll. Focus on content that inspires, educates, or truly connects you. Try digital minimalism. Only keep apps and accounts that spark joy or serve a clear purpose. Make tech a tool for growth, not a source of distraction. Choose mindful moments. Put your phone away during meals, walks, or conversations. Invest in offline hobbies, read, exercise, or spend time with loved ones. Use technology to enhance real-world experiences, not replace them. A balanced life is both online and off. Make space for what matters most. Set a weekly reminder to revisit your tech habits. Ask yourself, are my digital choices adding value or just noise? Make tweaks. No guilt, just growth. Digital balance is a journey. Regular check-ins keep you empowered and present. Ready to experience less stress, more focus, and real human connection? Start your digital habit reset today. Like, subscribe, and share if you're all about mindful digital living. Stay mindful, stay balanced, because life happens offline too.